If you've always felt like every makeup tutorial is overwhelming, don't worry. This video is for you. We're going to be doing a simple clean girl makeup look together. Now, this is everything I'll be using for my makeup look. The first thing to do with any kind of makeup is to clean your face. Now, to clean my face, I'm going in with these baby wipes. While I'm waiting for my moisturizer to absorb into my skin, I can go in with my brow tamer to tame my brows in the meantime. And I'm using this one from Browmatic by Damel. So I'm taking it under my eyes because I will not be having concealer there. Please, if you need extra time at this stage, you can pause the video if you're following me to take your extra time to blend your foundation properly. Because the aim is not to be faster or to do a 10 minutes makeup. The aim is to do a beautiful clean girl glam. The next step is powder application. And I'm going to be taking it from my kit. You know the funny thing, your makeup bag does not even need to be big as mine because I'm a makeup artist. So if you're doing your personal makeup, you can go for compact powders. Those powders just come in single shades. This is a fluffy brush. Okay, you can be able to apply very well on the face. But I want to go into my under eye. If you're a beginner with makeup and you don't have a triangle powder puff or a triangle puff like this one, please get one. Okay, I ordered mine from Temu. This is one of it. It came like a pack of 4 and it was about, I think, 1,000 naira in Nigerian currency. The thing about powder puff is that compared to a brush, it will apply products even where your brush cannot touch. So the edges of your nose, the corners, and it just flattens it. The only trick is that when you apply, you're using a powder puff, don't go directly on your face. Tap it so it smoothens out on your skin first before applying it on your face. I hope that makes sense. You can see my face. I have applied foundation and I have applied powder. These are basically the 2 major steps we've done, and it's already looking like, clean, but then we've done something. If you are following up to this point, drop a love for me in the comments. Let me see a picture. How's your makeup looking like? If you are following me, that is. The next thing we're going to do is brows, and I'm not doing much because it's a clean girl makeup, okay? But I think it's important to know these. So now, when you're working with things like brows and eyes, always focus and observe your brows before just going in to draw anything. So if you notice, this brow, my brow, this one is fuller than this one. So whenever I'm drawing, I do lesser work on this one than this. So I do much more work on this one compared to this. So, and I think it's the same for almost everybody. It might not be for you, but I have noticed that with my brows, no matter how I leave it to grow, this one always grows more than this one. So it's important that you observe your brows. And now for drawing, I'm using my Davis pencil in shade 3. Number 3, Davis pencil. This is the only thing I'll be using with my brows. I'm not concealing. My brows are already tamed. If you look at it, so I already used a brow tamer on it. If you don't have a brow tamer, please use a gel. Okay, this is my brow tamer. Please use a gel if you don't have one, because it's better your brows are in place and then you know what you're drawing than they are scattered all over the place. I know we're not doing a full brow tutorial, but it's just some tips that will help you as you go or as you do your makeup. So now this is what my pencil looks like. It's well sharpened and I'm just going in to fill up areas. I don't necessarily need to do this, but this is mainly for maybe those people who their brows are not as full as mine. If your brows is not as full as mine, then you can just do this step. I don't even plan to do too much on this particular brow. So I'm just filling up my areas that doesn't really have hair. I'm filling it up lightly. Can you see? You won't really notice much difference, but I did some things there. Okay. And then for this one, it doesn't really have as much arc as this one. So I'm going to try and put a better arc like this here. So I'm doing that by just, this is where my arc is. Okay. And I'm going like this. A brow tutorial is coming up soon. Somebody asked for that and I'm already working towards it. So now this is what we have. Are you enjoying this video so far? Let me know. So because I'm not doing eyeshadow, I'm just going to go over with my powder and just close my eyes. See how I'm being very careful so that I don't touch the brows that I've already done. I already have lashes on, but if you don't, it is at this stage you go in with your mascara. This is the one I would have used if I wasn't on lashes. So my most favorite part, drum roll, blush. And I'm going to be using it from this palette. This is the Blossom in Her New Story. If you're not new to my channel, you would have seen this palette 1,000 times. I'm going to be using this for blush. We have some shades here. And I'm going to be using this fluffy, very, very fluffy brush. Also be used for blush and even highlighter. It is very, very versatile. If I want to use it for highlighter now, I can just go in with this shade. Okay, I have a little on my hand, on this part of my nose, on the bridge of my nose. Shikina. To set all the powder products, I am using the Green Tea Makeup Fix from Kiss Beauty at an angle from my makeup bag. Okay, love, we are done with the video. Send in your picture. I wanted to see your progress. Okay, this is a safe space, so we don't really care how it looks like. We're not aiming for it to be perfect. We already know that practice makes improvement and it is doable. Till I see you in my next video, do take care. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. See ya.